Alright, so here we go. Another attempt at modeling a treasure chest. Hopefully I won't get any phone calls or anything before I get to a good place to stop. So I'm going to start with this cube, and then I'm going to get into the basic shape of the treasure chest and then stop recording because I would hate to lose that progress. So here we go. Anyways, getting into this, let's do this a faster way than last time. Let's try WS, or tab, WS. And the tab got me in edit mode, and the WS pulled up the subdivide menu, and then, or the specials menu, then the subdivide. So that's what WS did. And then I'm going to go in front orthogonal view. So I press 1 on the number pad, and then press 5 for orthogonal. Let's turn on my screencast piece. Okay, so I'm in front, side. Okay, we're gonna go on the right side, and I'm just going to grab these two verts and transparent selection. I want to get their friends too behind. Okay, and then I'm gonna just grab them and just pull them down slightly. And what this is doing is it's giving us a little bit of a rounded shape to the top of the treasure chest. And then I'm going to bring this down a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to scale it X, probably times 1.2, 1.5, yeah, 1.5, scaling X, 1.5, I like how that looks. Okay, so this is the basic shape of the treasure chest. Now, what I'm going to do from here, I have lots of choices. You know, I could add a little lock to the front. I could add handles to the side. There's lots of things I could add. But before I go that far, what I want to do is separate this so that I have the top of the chest and the bottom of the chest. I don't want them to be one mesh after this stage. So I mean, might as well be in perspective mode so we see what we're doing. And I'm going to select this top here. And I don't know if there's a better way to do this, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to Shift D. I'm going to duplicate the top of the chest, cancel the transform, and then just bring it up, straight up into the air. And what that does for me is it allows me to save these bottom verts. If I were to just separate it like that, I would end up losing verts, so that would be bad. Because the bottom of the chest needs verts too. I want to be greedy. I'm going to delete these verts. And now I got top and bottom of this chest here, and it looks pretty good. I actually can operate without separating these into separate objects, but I'm kind of feeling like separating them, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to just select the top, and I'm going to go mesh, vertices, separate by selection. And now I have two separate objects. Okay, so that was step one in making a treasure chest in Blender. What I've done is I took a cube, I modified the geometry slightly, and then separated the single mesh into these multiple meshes. And so in the next video we will work on some other things to make this look more like a treasure chest. Thank you very much.